Hello everyone, I'm Bella from FineTech, and today I'm going to introduce you to a fully automatic flat plate blister packaging machine. The model number for this machine is the DPP 150. The 150 indicates a mold width of 150 millimeters. Its hourly output ranges from 1,200 to 4,000 plates, making it ideal for food, pharmaceutical, and cosmetic factories. It is capable of filling materials such as tablets, liquids, and capsules, making it a highly cost-effective and versatile general-purpose packaging machine. Its material contact surface is made of 316 stainless steel material, and the non-contact surface is 304 stainless steel material, fully compliant with GMP clean standards. Now, please follow along with me as we take a look at the machine's operation process.
First is the base film unwinding station. This blister packing machine supports simultaneous mounting of PVC base film and aluminum lidding foil. This machine adopts an automatic film feeding system, features stable running performance. The material runs very smoothly. The second step is our forming station. The PVC film automatically transported to the heating area after preheating and softening, and forms blister cavities by mold pressing. The third is the feeding station. A universal feeder can add tablets and capsules, achieving fully automatic and precise feeding. The pill feeding accuracy is nearly 100%. If there are special fish oil-shaped tablets or special shape of solid dosage forms, you can directly replace it with a special dosage form feeder. It can be used for multiple purposes, which is very convenient. The fourth step is the heat sealing station. This is the most critical step in packaging. Equipped with precise constant temperature control for heat sealing process, with standard temperature, which can be let aluminum foil closely adheres to PVC base film and providing effective barrier against moisture and light. Approved pharmaceutical GMP standards. After completed the heat sealing, let's getting down to the traction station, followed by precise indexed film traction. The blister plate is transported to die cutting station. Here is our blister pack waste recycling station. After punching is completed, the finished blister plates will be at the box. The excess trim will be recycled at this station.
That was a complete introduction to the DPP 150 blister packaging machine. If you're interested in this machine, please click the link below to contact us. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.